Hello, welcome again. Remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? And we have here to multiply these expressions. We can work with formula or without formula. I'm gonna try to use just multiplication to show you how we're gonna be working, okay? First, we have here three terms. The first, the second, and the third term, we have to multiply with this, okay? So I'm gonna say that this is equal to x, the first, the second plus y, and the last is plus z. These are the three first terms that we have to multiply each one with x plus y minus z. X plus y minus z. So we are working like this. Okay. So every term you have to multiply with the whole expression. We have to apply the distributive property. X times x is x squared. X times y is xy minus x times z is xz. Here yx is the same than xy. Remember? Y times y is y squared. And y times z minus yz. Next, plus z times x is xz, plus z times y is yz, and plus, minus, sorry, because plus and minus, z times z, z square. And we have to operate all of these expressions to get the final answer. So first, we are going to pick x squared, okay? X squared. We don't have another x squared. So when we don't have a similar term, you just write down the same. Now, we are going to pick plus xy. Here, when you don't have plus, you have plus, remember? Plus xy. Okay? When you don't have a number in front, it's number 1. Plus 1 is plus 2. Xy. Okay? You don't have another xy. No. Now, xz. You have negative 1 xz. Aquí you have positive xz. You have negative 1 and positive 1 is 0. Remember, when you don't have a number is 1. When you don't have a symbol is plus 1. Negative 1 and positive 1 is 0. When it's 0, you just cancel. Okay? Now we have negative yz and positive yz is the same than before. So negative 1 and positive 1 is 0. You just cancel. And finally, you have positive y squared and negative positive y squared by itself. You just copy. And negative z squared. You don't have any other expression. So you just write down negative z squared. Okay? So make sure you don't do mistakes. But I want to make sure that you understand this. Note, xy is the same than yx. Remember, usually in algebra, we use the alphabetic order. This is the best, okay? But both are the same, okay? And yz is the same than zy, all right? Let's work the next situation. This case, this example. We have 2a, negative b, and negative c. we have to multiply 2a minus b plus c. 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 This is very easy. But the most difficult part is how to multiply without mistakes. Look at this. 2 times 2 is 4. A times a squared. Now, 2a with negative b is negative 2ab. 2a with positive c is positive 2ac. Okay, now negative b. Negative b with 2a, negative 2ab. You order. Negative times negative is positive. B times b is b squared. Negative and positive is negative. B with c is bc. Here, negative c with 2a is negative 2ac. Negative c with negative b is positive bc. Negative and positive is negative c times c squared. Now we have to work similar terms. First, 4a squared. You don't have any other, you just copy. 4a squared. Now negative 2ab and negative 2ab, just two of them. Negative 2 and negative 2 is negative 4. ab. Yes, we work this, we work this, we work this. And 2ac positive and negative 2ac is 0. You just cancel. So negative bc and positive bc is 0. You just cancel because one is negative and another is positive. Finally, you have plus b squared minus c squared. I want to make sure that you understand this. Note, when you have 2ac minus 2ac, your answer should be 0. When it's 0, you don't need to write. When you have negative bc and positive bc, your answer should be 0 because negative 1 and positive 1 is 0. 0 bc is 0. When it's 0, you don't need to write, you just cancel, you simplify. Okay? Let's work the next example. Again, we have 2x, we have plus y minus z. Each one is going to multiply with 2x minus y minus z or z. 2x minus y minus z. 2x minus y minus z. So this is equal. 2x times 2x is 4. 4x squared minus 2x times y, 2xy minus 2x times z, 2xz. Next, y times 2x is 2xy. Y times negative y is negative y squared. Y times negative z is negative yz. Negative z to x is negative 2xz. Negative z, negative is positive yz. Negative z with negative z is positive z squared. Now we have to find similar terms. This is equal. 4x squared, you don't have any of them, you just write down 4x squared. Negative 2x, positive 2x is 0. So you cancel this expression with this expression. You simplify. Now negative 2xz and negative 2xz is negative 4. So negative 4xz. Now negative y squared, you don't have any of them. Negative y squared. Now negative yz and positive yz is 0. You just cancel both of them. This and this. And finally plus z excuse me, sorry, plus z square. I'm gonna explain you again. Every term is gonna go here to the front. Here. The whole expression, you have to multiply each one for the whole expression times. You're gonna apply the distributive property, 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 2x times negative 1, negative 2xy. 2x times negative z, negative 2z. Y times 2x, 2xy. Y times negative y squared. Y times negative z, negative yz. Negative z times 2x, negative 2xz. Negative and negative is positive. Z times y, yz. Negative and negative is positive. Z times z is z squared. Now you associate similar terms. 4x squared is by itself alone, you just copy. Negative 2x y, positive 2xy, negative and positive 2 is 0. 0 you don't need to write, you just simplify, okay, you just cancel. Negative 2xz with negative 2 and negative 2, you just add, is negative 4 xz. Now negative y squared, you don't have any of them that has y squared, you just copy negative y squared, okay. And negative yz and positive yz is 0, you just cancel. And finally plus z squared, you remember you have to add at the end. Guys, remember to subscribe, please. Number 4. We have 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. So the first is x squared, the second is negative 5x, the next is 6. We have to multiply with x squared as 5x minus 1. Okay, the same here. Minus 1. And the same here. Now we are going to multiply. X squared times x squared is x with exponent 4 because you add the exponents, plus x squared times 5x is 5x cubed because you add 1 plus 2 is 3, minus x squared times 1 is x squared. Next, negative 5x, x squared is negative 5x cubed because 1 plus 2 is 3. Positive and negative is negative 5 times 5 is 25. X times x is x squared. Negative and negative is positive. 5x times 1 is 5x. Next, 6x squared plus 6 times 5, 30. 30x. 6 times 1 is 6. So now we have to apply similar terms and reduce expression. We have first x with exponent 4 by itself, you just copy. 5x cubed, negative 5x cubed is 0, you cancel. After the cube is a square, negative 1x squared, negative 25 is negative 26. Negative 26 plus 6 is negative 20. So negative 20x squared. Now with exponent 1, 5x and 30x is 35x positive. And finally the number negative 6. Remember it's negative 6. Guys, remember to subscribe, please. So we have here again the first term, the second with the negative, and the last term here. You have to multiply with the whole polynomial. This is a trinomial. Here, the same. This is the same. So the key here is that you have to focus and multiply. X times x is x. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus plus, because here is plus. X squared times 5 is x is 5x cubed, minus x squared times 1 x squared. Next, negative 5x x squared is negative 5x cubed. Negative and positive is negative. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. Negative and negative positive. 5x times 1 5x. 6x squared. 6 times 5 30, and 6 times negative 1 negative 6. Now we work similar terms. X with exponent 4 alone, you just copy. 5x cubed minus 5x cubed is 0. You just cancel. Negative 1 x squared, negative 25 is negative 26. Plus 6 is negative 20. X squared, remember, x squared. Now, 5x plus 30x is 35x. And finally, minus 6. Okay, guys, now we are going to work in the next example. Okay, look at this. So the first is n squared, 2n, and negative 1. We have to multiply with n squared minus 2n minus 1. N squared minus 2n minus 1. N squared minus 2n minus 1. This is equal. N squared times n squared is n with exponent 4 minus n squared times 2n is 2n cubed. N squared times negative 1 n squared. You don't need to write 1. Okay. 2n times n squared, 2n cubed. 2n times negative 2n and negative 4n squared. 2n times negative 1 negative 2n. Negative 1 n squared is negative n squared. Negative 1 times negative is positive 2n. Negative and negative is positive 1. The final answer is going to be equal. First with exponent 4 and with exponent 4. Now with exponent 3, negative 2 and positive 2 is 0. You just cancel these 2. Now with exponent 2, negative 1, negative 4 is negative 5. Negative 1, negative 6. So it's negative 6n with a square. Now negative 2n and positive 2n, you just cancel, it's 0. And finally plus 1. Your answer is a binomial. Remember, the first term is here, the second is here, and the last with the negative should be here. The whole expression, you have to copy the same here, okay, with the same symbols, negatives. So n squared times n squared is n with exponent 4, minus n squared times 2n is 2n cubed, minus n squared times 1 n squared. Next, 2n times n squared is 2n cubed, minus 2n times 2n is 4n squared, minus 2n times 1 2n. Next, negative with any expression, you just copy the same, but you can change. If this is positive, you have here negative. This is negative, you have here positive. And this is negative, you have here positive. But you have the same values. Finally, similar terms. n4 with exponent 4, you just copy. Negative 2n cubed and positive 2n cubed, you just cancel, it's 0. Now, negative 1 n squared, negative 4 is negative 5, negative 1 is negative 6 n squared. Okay, negative 2n and positive 2n is 0. You don't need to write, but this number plus 1 you have to write. Okay, guys, hope you enjoy this topic. This topic is very interesting. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, please.